Welcome to Integrity Car Sales and Rentals Wheelchair Vehicle Specialists. This is a NV200, the side door is electric. The rear ramp is a lightweight aluminium and is pulled out and lowered to the ground. The front retractable belts come out of the car and hook onto the front of the wheelchair. They are a safety feature and will hold the wheelchair and not allow it to move backwards. Once the wheelchair is safely in the car, place the key straps onto the rear. Push a button to the left and it will lock the retractable belts and cables to the floor of the car. To unload a passenger is just the reverse process. For more information on this vehicle and to view our other vehicles, please visit www.icsar.com.au or call 02 1181 1884.